Hey, I'm Chef Aaron Neale. Today, we're gonna do elk kebabs with a chimichurri sauce. Now, putting together your kebabs is pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna use the peppers and onions and our elk. We're just gonna dice all these up and put them on these here sticks. So we're gonna buzz through that, get that stuff ready to get on the grill, and then we're gonna focus in on our chimichurri sauce. Just assembling these. Onion, pepper, a piece of meat. Couple pieces of meat. You can put anything you want to on these. Pineapples, dill pickles, anything you like. I ain't eating no possum.
You ain't never had a possum?
No. They don't plan on eating none either. I'll cook one for you. You might as well put that down and help me finish these. Alright, we got our kebabs made up. We're gonna go ahead and put a little oil on them. And then we're gonna season them up, and you guessed it, the Neale's campfire. Get them a heavy dose of that. It'll make that elk taste oh so good. Down there so you can see what I'm working with. I'm gonna cover it all real good. Coals are nearly perfect. Get it spread out evenly. Gonna let that heat up so we can clean it off a little bit and throw our kebabs on. Let's go ahead and start grilling. Oh, I'm gonna burn myself. Now the time you want to leave these on for is all up to you. If you like your red meat rare to medium rare, just a few minutes. If you like your vegetables well done and your meat to the medium well to well done, you just leave them on a little longer. It's all your own personal preference. It ain't no rocket science. Pretty easy to figure out, really. Alright, for a chimichurri sauce, we're going to use 2 avocados, juice from 2 limes, cilantro. I'm going to use half of a jalapeno, take the seeds out of that to cut down on the heat, a quarter piece or quarter chunk of a small red onion, and some parsley. Also going to throw in some garlic. To season it up, instead of using just salt and pepper, I'm going to use the Neale's all-purpose. That'll give it a good smoky flavor. Basically all you do is throw all this into a blender, let it do its job, kind of get it around in there and mix it up, and then you just drizzle it over your meat. In with the avocado. I hear my elk over here sizzling pretty good, so I'm going to check it out and see what it looks like. Back to the sauce. Put about a cup of cilantro, just the leaves if you can. You can chop this up nicer if you want to, but I'm just going to do it by hand here. Probably a quarter cup of this parsley, close to it. Half of this jalapeno. For a small batch like this, you won't want much more than this. So I'm just going to use half, and I'm taking the seeds out. I don't want to hurt my tummy. Be wiping my butt with a popsicle if I eat the whole thing. Maybe doll. On the side, an onion. Juice from 2 lemon, or 2 lime, I mean. Roll them limes before you cut them. You get the juice out of them better. They get softer. 2. About that much garlic. Was that a teaspoon? Something close to it?
Whatever you got left in that jar, because you used it in the last 5 videos.
Well, I don't like to waste nothing. Oil. You're gonna want about quarter cup. Maybe a little less, depending on how much fixings you got in there. Oh, I almost forgot the seasoning. Want about a tablespoon, perfect tablespoon. Blend it all up. My Dollar General blender having a hell of a time. It doesn't do anything. Why ain't it doing anything? I don't understand. It worked perfect when I make margaritas. Chimichurri sauce. And basically what you do with that, just drizzle that over your kebabs whenever they're done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look like our elk kebabs are done. We're gonna go ahead and take these babies off. See see what they taste like. I got my serving platter here. Back to the table. Dress these up, make them look pretty. Now all we have to do is get a little bit of our chimichurri on here. See what she tastes like. Meat on there. Meat and vegetable and everything. Oop. Dropped a little. My God. Unbelievably tender. Real fresh tasting. Got fresh vegetables. The acidity and the freshness from the cilantro, parsley, out of that chimichurri sauce really sets everything off. It's delicious. That's just one way that I do elk. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you ever got any questions, comments, or have any ideas of something you want me to try, go ahead and leave a comment. Until next time, I'm Chef Aaron Neale. Good luck and good cooking.